Yeah, and I don't mind moving all of these to this garden bed because I'm actually using some of these pots to, you know, kind of suppress some of the weeds here, just so it saves me some work in the spring. That being said, I am gonna have to figure out a spot for these pots eventually. Right, this is my ginkgos and my fig trees. I have some couple pawpaws, but I don't know if they made it. Look at that. Not needed. But yeah, so this whole area I'm gonna be setting aside for the berries that are already taking over here. They're growing through the fence, they got their runners, they're already going into the ground and starting new plants. So I'm hoping those really take root and take up this whole area. And the thing is, this whole area has really, really good soil, because in the 2 years that I've been in this plot, starting growing season number 3, in the 2 years that I've been here, I've mulched it really heavily with both leaf mulch and wood mulch. So that's really broken down into some really dark, rich soil. You know, it helps encourage that mycorrhizal relationship, right? See that fungi all through there. It's really, really neat. There's a few little grubs here, little larvae, and I uncovered them underneath these pots. Don't want to disturb them too much. Want to cover them back up, give them a sound winter. These fig pots, they're way too heavy for me. I'm gonna have to start working out again. Gotta work on these forearms. I feel like gardening really just uses so much of the forearm. They're always getting tired. The trimming, the picking, the weeding. It's like all very forearm intensive, I feel like. But I actually think it would be kind of cool if I left this garden bed here in the middle of the berries. They might take it over, but I could add flowers in there too. So like a flower bed in the middle of all of the berries. It could be kind of cool. I don't know. Might be cool. I don't know. But yeah, you're just listening to my plans for 2024. That reminds me, I feel like I know we've talked about it a lot on the page. But you know, start making plans for 2024, because now's the time. I know I always don't plan enough. I know I always don't plan enough, and that always causes problems for me in the spring. So now's the time to plan for sure. Now is the time. And in other exciting news about the garden, I'll end with this, is that I might be getting a third rain barrel. You were just viewing me from the rain barrel, the rain catcher systems. And I believe this is like 35 to 40 gallons, and this is 40 to 50. So I'm just under 100 gallons collecting from the rain. And we've had a lot of rain here lately, and yeah, look at that, it's like full. It's like full. So these are some pretty janky systems, but they do the job. But I might have a third one coming in the far corner over there. So that would put me over 100 gallons of water collected, or able to collect for the garden. So that's pretty exciting. I think I think in the gardening world, that's always big news when you start collecting more and more rainwater, if you're allowed to. But yeah, this overgrown spot might be the next candidate for more rainwater collection. Yeah, look at that. New neighbors moving in. I'm excited to see what they're going to be growing in the spring. Cool. All right. Until next time.